Hi there! Welcome to this tutorial on how to use style references in AI portraits. Alright, let's kick things off by generating an image using a prompt. As you can see, it's realistic but somewhat plain, lacking the details and qualities of royalty. Here, I introduce you to LightX style image feature that will help us capture both composition and style of the image. Alright, let's go ahead and select our style image. See that? The style has transformed the simple princess into a figure of real majesty. Let's compare the two images. The one with the style reference is more refined and sophisticated, showing how powerful style references can enhance a simple prompt. Next up, we're going to explore how style strength sliders affect the final image. I will now enter a basic prompt and set the style strength to 100%. Let's see what happens. The output closely matches the style image, as you can see the composition of the style in the output. Now, let's reduce the style strength to 49%. Here's the result. A nice balance where both the style and prompt equally shape the final image. Looks great, right? Finally, let's experiment with a low style strength. We will reduce it to 1%. This time, prompt took the lead, with the style playing a subtle role. Let's review the three outputs side by side. This shows how adjusting style strength lets you control the balance between style and prompt, offering more creative flexibility